Power SP-2700 direct drive cylinder bed interlock sewing machine with auto trimming. This model is newly upgraded from the original model. The lower main shaft adopts the integrated design of direct drive motor faster up to 6,000 RPM. The whole machine has low vibration, light sound, and higher efficiency. The needle bar stroke is 31 mm and 33 mm, which can change between light and thick sewing and has wider adaptability. The top-bottom feed mechanism can be adjusted independently and accurately, and the differential quantity is larger. It can solve the problems of wrinkling and pleating of various fabrics and twisting of two-layer sewing. The oil pan is designed with ventilation, which can cool the oil faster and operate more stably. Automatic cooling. The central threading cam is external. The thread passing and bottom thread is more stable, and the stitch is more perfect. Horizontal support. Keep the trimming stable. Electromagnet trimmer, short thread end. Cylinder circumference 286 mm. Recessed cylinder bed design 40 mm. Wide sewing adaptability.